Various governments from time to time have been announcing one rank, one pension for ex-servicemen. But since this has not been implemented, the ex-servicemen are absolutely justified in threatening to hold a rally on June 14 in Delhi. It's going to be a huge rally, and after that they have threatened to start the process of hunger strikes in different parts of the country. The demand is absolutely justified. The ex-servicemen are basically saying that irrespective of the year they retire in, if they retire at a particular rank and with a certain length of service, the pension should be the same. As of now, those who retire before 2006 get less pension, and if they retire after 2006, they get more pension. In case the scheme is implemented, the cost to the exchequer will be to the tune of about 10,000 crore. It is a huge amount, but since this has been promised for a long time, it should be implemented right away. Since this demand has been made for long and the successive governments have been announcing this, that they're going to implement it, they've announced it actually at least half a dozen times. I think this should be now implemented with immediate effect. The government should actually set a time frame that from a certain date, the pensions in the bank accounts of these ex-servicemen will start flowing in as per the one rank, one pension scheme. This is an extremely serious matter because this not only has an effect on the families of the ex-servicemen, it also has an effect on the serving soldiers. The serving soldiers at some point of time will retire, and in any case, many of them have relatives who have already retired.